This is the new Freezimer countertop ice cube maker. This is it on our kitchen counter. I'm going to pull it out from here and put it on our bar so we have more room to film and look at it. But I just wanted to share that it looks great, fits in nicely, plenty of room, even to open up the lid. Let's go do a review. In front of you is the Freezimer countertop ice cube maker. This is model ICM 1233, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the product. Let's get to it. Pretty attractive unit, and you saw how well it was packed. It took me a while to get it out of the box. It was in there tightly with styrofoam, rigid styrofoam, and every plastic piece inside was also secured with this heavy-duty strapping tape, which did come off fairly easily. But it's nice to get something well packed that will show up intact. I like that. Looking at the top, I'm trying to avoid the glare here. They've got a pretty simple annunciator panel, control panel. On the left it says add water, and below that ice bin is full. There's a select button which will let you select between small ice cubes, which are good for like drinks, larger ones for keeping things cool. And then there's the power button, which also doubles as a clean button if you hold this down for 3 seconds. Looking inside, you have a nice big ice bin and an ice scoop, which is always nice. This can hold up to 1.7 pounds of ice when it's full. And the whole thing, capability, I'll say this again, will produce up to 27 pounds of ice a day. And it can start producing ice in as little as 8 minutes. About a 6-foot cord, heavy duty, grounded, very nice. Non-polarized, but if it's grounded like that, it'll always be plugged in the correct way. This would be great not just for kitchens, for entertaining your bar area, your RV, backyard, patio kind of stuff, where you want ice on site. I'm going to plug this in, we're going to fill it full of water, and I'm going to put a little time-lapse timer on here. We're going to see how long it takes to produce the first batch of ice. Alright, about 8.5 minutes in, I heard it start to cycle, and there are the cubes. Those are the small cubes, and they look pretty good. So this is great. You come home, need some ice, you press start, go take a shower, come back, you have a bin full of ice for your soda, mixed drink, whatever you want. That convenient, that fast. Those are nice. We're going to do the set. So 9 minutes are actually out of there. Reset. I'm going to go large on this one. And we'll hit start. And I'll compare the large versus small cubes. Okay, 9 minutes into the third cycle, just for comparison, I'm doing this one with the large cubes. And those are probably 50% bigger than the small cubes. You'll see them mixed together here in just a second. Pretty significant difference, and it only took about a minute longer to make the larger ones. So really slick. The technology has been figured out. Freezimer, these guys, you can pick up a unit like this off of Amazon, and I'll stick a link down in the description below. You can pick up a link or a box like this for about $100 with free shipping, and that's a fantastic deal. If you don't have a refrigerator with an automatic ice maker, this is a super easy solution. Or if you just need some location specific ice for entertaining, this is also great for that. Fits under the kitchen cupboard and it looks nice. Big thumbs up for this one.